is Bukola Ogunwale. My clients call me Coach B. I am the CEO of Coach B Fitness Zone, a fitness outfit where we help people to lose weight and stay fit through online courses. There's a family business that is called iFitness Gym. It is a place where you can come in and work out. I ran it for a year and I realized that the passion that I had for women to lose weight was still there. So that was initially how it all started. But when it came to scaling, that's when it became difficult. So I needed to be right there where people could see me. A very good friend of mine posted this training information and I applied. It was a game changer for me. I thought I knew a bit, but by the time I got in there, I realized that there was still so much that I needed to learn.
At the start of the year, what I noticed was she wasn't channeling energy properly. But the good thing is, when she decided to go for this particular program, some bit of clarity started to come in.
During the training, I was made to realize that when people really need stuff right there immediately, they go to Google. So I started to put myself right where they can find me. Right from the first week, the moment we were taught how to do Google Ads, I got a call from someone in Kaduna. This is me in Lagos, getting a call from a client all the way in Kaduna. So it was with great joy that I showed my training instructors on the last day of training an alert which was coming into my phone because I just closed a deal.
She's able to focus her energy into one box. She mentioned to me just about 2 days ago that in fact she had given it a name. She called it intentional living. And I think that's very interesting.
You know, it just gives me joy when I'm able to break down the walls and help women to see why they should work out, because when women get it right, the whole family has gotten it right.